In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Constant Contact safely and completely. Let's walk through a clean, reliable sign out so your account stays secure when you're finished working. Start by opening Constant Contact in your web browser. If you've been working already, you should be on your dashboard or another page within your account. If you've just launched the site, give it a second to load fully so all menu options are available. Next, move your attention to the top right corner of the page. That's where your profile name or account icon lives. Depending on your setup, you might see your name, your company name, your profile photo, or a circle with your initials. That small menu button is the gateway to your account controls. Click it once to open a drop-down menu. In the drop-down, look for the option that says Log Out. Sometimes it may be labeled Sign Out, but it means the same thing. Before you click it, make sure you've saved any work in progress, such as drafts of emails or changes to a contact list. Logging out will end your session, and unsaved edits could be lost. A quick check here can save you time later. When you're ready, click Log Out. As soon as you do, Constant Contact will begin closing your active session. You may notice a brief loading moment or a spinner indicating that the system is processing your sign out. Avoid clicking around while this happens. Letting it complete helps ensure the logout is recorded properly on the server. After a moment, you should be returned to the main login page. Seeing the username and password fields again is your confirmation that the sign out worked. If you are working in multiple Constant Contact tabs, the platform typically ends the session across them, and they may prompt you to log in again if you navigate back. That's expected and is a good sign that your account is protected. If you're completely finished, close the browser tab that has Constant Contact open. This is especially important on shared or public computers, as closing the tab helps prevent someone else from wandering back into your session history. If you had additional Constant Contact tabs open, close those too for extra peace of mind. And that's it. You've opened Constant Contact, used your profile menu, found the sign out option, clicked log out, waited for the login page to confirm the end of your session, and closed your tab when finished. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to review the process.